Are you guys looking for a solid phone mount in your 5th gen 4Runner? In this video, we're going to be showing you 2 different options from Offroam. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we have everything here from Offroam to get this mounted into our 5th gen 4Runner. We have the mounting base, which is going to simply mount to the top of your 2 front vents here. And then we have the 2 different styles of holders. We have the magnetic style and we also have the clamp style. And then in order to get this to the mounting base, we have the arm. So let's start by getting the mounting base onto our vent and then we'll go from there. All right, so we got the mounting base out of the box. You'll also find some paper instructions in here and also an included Allen wrench to get this installed. So we're going to take the Allen wrench and we're going to put it into the Allen bolt here. We're going to loosen this and this will allow us to remove the mounting base from the cardboard that it is on. So taking a closer look at this, this is a aluminum anodized black piece, really nice, and it also has some built-in rubber pads. So where it sits against your dash, it's not going to make any marks. So with this piece, you're going to be allowed to put this on the driver's side and also on the passenger side. You just want to make sure that you have it all the way to the outer edge. Once you know what side you want, we'll go ahead and take the Allen wrench and we'll just snug up that screw that's in the middle. And that will lock this into place. So we got the mounting base on there, very simple to install, and that thing's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the arm. This is going to connect the mounting base to the specific type of holder that you want. So we'll take this and just loosen this up a little bit, enough so that we can slip it over the mounting ball on our mounting base. And then we'll just get that snugged up so it's not going to fall off. Now we'll take a look at the 2 different styles of phone holders and then get those installed. So first up, we have the magnetic phone holder. This one is the non-charging. They do have a charging option as well. So this is going to stick right onto the back side of your phone. If you do have a phone cover on your phone, it may not work. Offroam does offer a phone case with a magnet built right into it. That will work. If you don't want to go that route, you can always go on Amazon and get yourself something that will stick right to the back of your existing phone case. That will allow this to stick to it. So now we'll just go ahead and loosen this back up until we can get the magnet base in there. And then we'll snug this up so that we can still move it and we'll get it positioned right where we want. Something like that. And we'll go ahead and lock this down. So that is it for the magnetic holder. You can easily put your phone on there. It's not going to fall off. The magnet is pretty strong and it puts the phone in a perfect spot so you really don't even have to take your eyes off the road. So let's go ahead and take this one off and we'll put the clamp style on. Lastly, we have the clamp style. Again, nice billet piece, anodized black. Has a spring-loaded clamp, so it's easy to get your phone in and out, and it's strong enough to hold it so it's not going to go anywhere. Has some nice rubber pads in there to protect your phone and to grip it. So we'll go ahead and get this one installed. So go ahead and drop that in there. Snug this up. Position it where we want, and lock it down. Clamp style is in, and you can see it is very easy to put your phone in and take your phone out. All right, guys, there you have it. We showed you the clamp style and also the magnetic style phone mount from Offroam. Both options are great and it's a nice built piece. If you guys are interested in either of these, it's available at Xpedition.com. If you have any questions about this stuff, make sure to drop a comment down below. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.